watching 9 to 5 Mac, be sure to thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos.
Summer's officially here, and I'm testing the AquaSense 2 Ultra Robotic Pool Cleaner from Beatbot. This unboxing and assembly was easy, but there are a lot of different pieces, including some bonus accessories, which you can see while I talk more about the current top-of-the-line pool robot from AquaSense. Last year, I reviewed the AquaSense Pro, and it was my favorite tech product of 2024. As an encore, Beatbot has upgraded the technology and 5-in-1 cleaning capabilities in the AquaSense 2 Ultra, which features a hybrid sense pool mapping AI camera you'll see here in a bit. This single bot could roam, scrub, and vacuum your pool's floor, walls, surface, waterline, and has a water clarification system that could be deployed through the app to clear up any cloudy water. Here's the full haul. Checking the baskets to make sure everything has been unwrapped before we install the water clarifier, which you simply uncap, unwrap, and pop right in. Next, I had to install the side brushes. This is an industry first from Beatbot, which works in sync with the robot's main roller brushes to ensure every corner and edge is cleaned. The brushes simply wrap around and are secured by a tab on the rotor. The kit also came with 2 extra brushes. Next, it was time to get this new pool robot on the charger. Once the stand was unwrapped and plugged in, the AquaSense 2 Ultra simply sits atop it, and its progress is indicated through a light bar, which eventually turns solid green. While the robot charged, I connected it to my existing Beatbot app, which gave me no trouble at all. Here you could choose and monitor your cleaning session, track past cleans, activate the water clarifier, or moor the robot early if needed. A new item for me this go-around was a handy protective case that came compactly folded up. It unwraps into a full-on weatherproof cover that could be secured from the bottom to keep weather and critters out. It also has a side storage pouch, which I use to house the gathering hook, extra brushes, and the included screwdriver. Okay, time to go swimming. To begin, you select from Floor Mode, Standard Mode, Pro Mode, or Custom Mode, which you can configure in the Beatbot app. Turn the robot on with the press of the power button before selecting your mode. I had trouble seeing the glowing buttons in the sunlight, so I had to cover it to ensure it was on and Pro Mode was selected. Next, you simply pop the AquaSense 2 Ultra in the water and let it do its thing. I prefer to use Pro Mode, which takes the longest, about 3 to 4 hours, but is the deepest clean. The bot immediately starts mapping and cleaning all the floors, powered by its 11 different motors. The AquaSense 2 Ultra is unique in that it utilizes ultrasonic sensors, infrared sensors, and an advanced AI camera to identify debris that could have been missed during the initial cleaning. It could also do wheelies. It could also learn to recognize different types of leaves and continually improve its detection capabilities over time. My pool has a shallow sun shelf with a couple of steps where my past pool vacuums have struggled, but the AquaSense 2 Ultra can regulate buoyancy and propel itself up. Eventually. After it cleans the entire floor, the robot moves onto the pool's walls and waterline. It's amazing to watch this thing scale up vertically and breach the water without slipping at all. Last, the cleaning cycle includes a thorough skim of the water's surface, which is also fun to watch because it jets around pretty quickly. If you see a leaf and want to assist, you could also remotely control the robot through the app. Perhaps there's a future sport of pool robot races? The session is complete or the battery drops below 15%. The AquaSense 2 Ultra has a surface parking system in which it will float and moor near the pool edge for easy retrieval. Simply grab it and pull it out as its smart drain water release system kicks in to lighten the load. If you'd rather not bend over or need to end a session early, the kit comes with a retrieval hook that could easily snag the robot's handle for removal. After each session, it's important to empty the robot's baskets and spray them clean with a hose, and it couldn't be easier, as you can see here. Once clean, reconnect the 2 baskets and pop them right back into the robot. Then it's back onto the charger to replenish before the next deep dive. I like to keep mine covered when I'm not using it. Overall, I already loved my AquaSense Pro, but the AquaSense 2 Ultra is the pinnacle of robotic pool cleaning. I highly recommend it to any pool owner. It's so easy. If interested, be sure to use the link in the description below. Time to jump in!